and vitamin B. Now, Deborah, I think it was you asked me last night, why is my urine bright yellow? I said it's the B vitamins.
Did you know that your diet could be your strongest weapon against cancer and chronic diseases? In this video, we'll uncover the 5 essential vitamins and minerals that play a key role in boosting liver health, detoxifying your body, and preventing diseases like cancer. First, we need to understand the function and importance of the liver.
The liver is the largest internal organ in the body, and the liver is the only organ in the body that has the ability to regrow. And when you understand the liver, when you understand what it does, and it's the role that it plays, you'll understand why God made it so. You see, cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance.
The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body and one of the most vital for maintaining overall health. What makes the liver truly remarkable is its unique ability to regenerate itself. Even if up to 75% of the liver is damaged or removed, it can grow back to its original size, provided the body is in a healthy state. This regenerative capacity highlights the liver's critical role in survival and recovery. One of the liver's primary functions is detoxification. Every substance entering your body, whether it's from food, drinks, medications, or the environment, must pass through the liver for processing. The liver identifies harmful toxins, breaking them down into less toxic forms that can be eliminated through urine or bile. When certain toxins are too dangerous or abundant to process immediately, the liver safely stores them in fat cells to prevent them from harming the body. In addition to detoxification, the liver contributes to digestion, regulates blood sugar levels, stores essential vitamins and minerals, and produces proteins vital for blood clotting. With so many responsibilities, maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being. A healthy liver is your body's first line of defense against chronic diseases, including cancer. To protect and support effective liver function, we need to focus on providing the following 5 vitamins. 1. Beta-carotene, precursor to vitamin A.
Beta-carotene is found in all your orange and your green coloured vegetables. Have you noticed that every juice we give you is either green or orange or red? So we're supplying high beta-carotenes to you.
Once ingested, the body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, a vital nutrient that supports numerous bodily functions. One of the primary roles of vitamin A is to maintain healthy vision. It plays a key role in the production of a pigment in the eyes that is essential for low light and color vision. Beyond eye health, beta-carotene also supports immune function by enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and promoting the production of white blood cells. This is especially important for maintaining a strong immune system, which helps protect the body against diseases, including cancer. 2. Vitamin C.
Also, probably the most famous antioxidant is vitamin C. Vitamin C is not ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, I think it's Dr. Robert Thompson in his book The Calcium Lie, he explains this. Ascorbic acid is just the envelope. Have you ever got an envelope in the mail with nothing in it? In other words, useless. But when you buy vitamin C, make sure it has bioflavonoids with it. That's how you find it in nature. That's called the whole C.
High sources of vitamin C include cabbage, fresh local oranges, and other organic produce, particularly when grown in nutrient-rich, microbe-friendly soil. While oranges are often considered the go-to source of vitamin C, studies have shown that cabbage can be even higher in this nutrient, offering a more bioavailable form of vitamin C. Other good sources include bell peppers, strawberries, and leafy greens like spinach and kale. Vitamin C is crucial for immune defense, as it helps stimulate the production of white blood cells and enhances their ability to fight off infections. Additionally, it plays a key role in collagen production, which is necessary for the repair and growth of tissues, including skin, blood vessels, and bones. Including vitamin C-rich foods in your diet regularly not only supports immune function, but also contributes to overall tissue health and recovery. 3. Vitamin E.
Also vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin. So you're getting your vitamin E in your protein drinks. So in your protein drinks, I think we either make it with either organic soy or almond milk and put a little bit of coconut milk in there with your pea protein powder. So you're getting your vitamin E there. Can you see that we are nutritionally supporting your liver to effectively detoxify you?
Additionally, vitamin E is essential for skin health, helping to maintain a youthful appearance and protecting against oxidative stress that can lead to premature aging. 4. Vitamin B complex, especially B12.
And vitamin B. Now, Deborah, I think it was you asked me last night, why is my urine bright yellow? I said, it's the B vitamins. You're not losing your B vitamins, it's just the reaction that it has in the body.
Vitamin B12 is vital for the production of red blood cells and the functioning of the nervous system. It is commonly found in animal-based foods, such as fish, meat, and dairy, but can also be obtained from organically grown root vegetables or fermented foods in plant-based diets. Root vegetables like beets and potatoes, when grown in nutrient-rich soil, can naturally harbor trace amounts of vitamin B12 through the presence of beneficial bacteria. For those following plant-based diets, it is possible to meet B vitamin needs if digestion is functioning optimally. Fermented foods like tempeh, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain bioavailable forms of B12, making them a great addition to a plant-based lifestyle. Additionally, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and legumes are rich in other B vitamins that support energy production, brain function, and overall cell health. 5. Vitamin D.
It needs vitamin D. So vitamin D is also important for strong, healthy bones. So where do we get vitamin D? It's the sunshine vitamin. Ultraviolet rays from the sun hit the skin and they convert a form of cholesterol just under the skin to vitamin D.
Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is synthesized in the skin when exposed to ultraviolet, UV rays from sunlight. It is essential for regulating calcium absorption, which is crucial for bone health, but its benefits extend far beyond bone health. Research has shown that vitamin D can help regulate immune system responses, reducing the risk of autoimmune diseases and even certain types of cancer. Vitamin D works by influencing the expression of genes involved in cell growth and repair, which is especially important in preventing abnormal cell growth that could lead to cancer. Studies suggest that adequate levels of vitamin D may lower the risk of colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers by promoting healthy cell function and reducing inflammation. To ensure adequate vitamin D levels, spending time in the sun is one of the most effective ways, though it is also found in foods such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. However, many individuals may still be deficient, especially those living in areas with limited sun exposure or those with darker skin. In such cases, supplementation or increased intake of vitamin D-rich foods may be necessary to maintain optimal health. In conclusion, the 5 essential vitamins we've discussed today, beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B complex, and vitamin D, are powerful allies in protecting your liver, boosting your immune system, and fighting off diseases like cancer. By focusing on natural, nutrient-rich foods, you can support your liver's detoxification process and ensure your body has the antioxidants it needs to stay strong and healthy. Remember, food truly can be your medicine. Prioritize fresh, organic fruits, vegetables, and plant-based options to give your body the best chance to thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Stay healthy, stay natural.